Some few days ago, I posted a video on this platform discussing family trusts in Zimbabwe. The video received a lot of reactions in the form of comments. And one of the comments that stood out came in the form of a question. The question was whether it was possible for one to register a family trust without property. For me, that question was soliciting for an answer to another question, which is, what are the requirements for the registration of a family trust in Zimbabwe? I'm going to answer that question by sharing with you 5 requirements for registration of a family trust in Zimbabwe. What are the requirements for the registration of a family trust in Zimbabwe? I'm going to share with you 5 requirements. The first requirement is that the founder of a trust must intend to create a trust. There must be an intention to create a trust. A trust cannot be created without an intention. Then the second requirement is that the trust property must be defined with reasonable certainty, which means that you need to identify the assets of a trust with ease. Then the third requirement is that the intention must be expressed in a language that creates an obligation. An obligation must be created for the trustees to manage and administer the properties of a trust for the benefit of beneficiaries. Then another obligation is created against the founder of the trust, in the sense that the founder of the trust must ensure that the trustees are going to manage the assets of the trust for the benefit of beneficiaries. Then the fourth requirement is that the purpose of the trust must be defined with reasonable certainty. So, in other words, we must know from the document that create a trust as to what is the purpose of this trust. Why are you creating this trust? Then the final requirement, which is the fifth requirement, is that the purpose or the object of the trust must be lawful. You must not create a trust that breaks the law of Zimbabwe. Your trust must be legal. So there you are. These are the 5 requirements for creating or for establishing or registering a family trust in Zimbabwe. I hope I have answered the question.